Hi, welcome to Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. In today's session, we will discuss about how to generate sales invoices in various methods in Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. The first method we will demonstrate how to generate a sales invoice with the help of barcode scanner. To invoke the sales invoice creation user interface from the work center, click on the work center, choose POS sales. Otherwise, in the toolbar, you can see one icon of barcode scanner. Click on this. This is the barcode sale user interface. System will allow you to post backdated sales invoice also. By any reason of your computer or printer, if the counter billing is stacked up, you can manage it manually, and once it is rectified, we can post those backlogged invoices by giving the previous dates. By default, the current date will appear in the date field. Here system will ask us to which customer you are going to generate the sales invoice. System will show us the customer list. These are the customer list we have already created in the system. The customer is a counter customer or walk-in customer, we can use a common ledger called walk-in customer. System will allow you, instead of the system generated auto bill number, if you want to use your own customized bill number, system will also allow you to use an alternative bill number option here. We can make B2C, B2B and normal sales invoice based on the GST status, whether you are a regular taxpayer or composition. Based on that, system will automatically display whether the current sale is B2B or B2C. Here the pricing mode, either retail price or wholesale pricing mode you can choose. By default, system will pre-select the retail pricing mode. Here you can scan the barcode. Suppose this is the barcode you have scanned. System will automatically display the products with matching this barcode. A special feature of Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System is system will allow you to keep same barcode for multiple products. If the system found the scanned barcode is assigned for several items, system will automatically pop up all the products that match the same barcode what you have scanned, and we can choose the right product from this list. Here we can see the MRP on item that we have entered while making the purchase invoice. System will automatically display here what is the retail selling price we have set. System will display it here. One thing you have to notice is, suppose here we can see barcode wise item list retail. It means the pricing mode is retail. I'm deleting this product and I'm choosing it as wholesale. And suppose I have scanned it again. Here we can see the barcode item list wholesale. It means since we have selected the pricing mode as wholesale, system will automatically pull out the items with wholesale price. So based on the pricing mode we have selected, system will automatically pull out retail and wholesale price. In any case, even if the barcode sticker is pasted on a specific product, while scanning it, if it is not, if the barcode scanner is not able to read it perfectly, there is one option to choose the product by typing few keywords of the product. In this way also, you can choose the product while you make the sales invoice. Here we have to mention the quantity. If you wish to give any extra discount, you can give it here. The GST information system will calculate automatically based on the GST percentage we have defined while creating this product. If there are multiple salesmen in a single sales bill, on each product we can assign the salesman. If only single salesman is involved in a single sales, you can also use this salesman or single salesman from this salesman tab displayed in the bottom side. Once you have selected the products, or if you want to select one more product by pressing the down arrow, and again you can choose the product you wish to include in this same sales invoice. Here we can see while setting the selling price, I have already set rupees 10 as a flat discount or extra discount. That is the reason when I selected this item from the item list, whatever fixed extra discount is set, that will be displayed in this extra discount column. This discount is optional. If we want to give this extra discount, we can give. If you don't wish to give this extra discount, we can keep it as 0. System will omit it. So here the total bill amount is 810. Once you have finished with the item selection, just press enter key. Now system will ask us which payment mode the customer is settling this bill. Here we can choose the payment method as cash, credit, debit card or credit card, by check, or by Paytm, Google Pay, any of the online method, or a mixed payment time, like few payments the customer wish to settle in cash, few through card, and few on credit. If multiple payment methods are or payment times are involved in a same single sales invoice, we can use the payment time as many. Otherwise, if it is cash, choose the cash, and by pressing the enter key, system will automatically fill the cash field with the total bill amount. Now we can enter how much the customer has tendered to us. Suppose customer has given us 850 and the balance we need to give in return to the customer is 40 rupees, that we can see here in the change area. Now, if there is any walking customer, we can ask the customer, before you save this sales invoice, you can ask the phone number of the customer. So what will happen is, once this invoice is saved, system will automatically assign a tracking record of this walking customer information. So we can track how much purchases this specific walking customer has purchased from us, what are the bills he has purchased, what are the products he has purchased. All that history we can generate with the help of Brainweaver's E-Trade retail management system. At the same time, we can use this number for sales promotional activities. For example, if you want to forward digital coupon, brochures, offer catalogs periodically, with the help of this contact information, you can easily communicate with your walk-in customers about what are the offers or discounts going on your store at the moment. So by this way we can make a good relationship and in touch with your all customers and motivate, encourage and insist them to come to your store and buy more products from you. For example, we can ask the customer what is the phone number. Once you have entered the number, if this same number exists in your walking customers list, system will automatically display the name information here. Since this walking customer is new, it is not displayed any name here. For example, I am giving the walking customer name as Tojo. Once you have entered all this information, click on the save button. Bill saved successfully. Now system will automatically generate the sales invoice in the screen. Since we have set the 3-inch invoice format by default, that is the reason system automatically preview the sales invoice in 3-inch format. Depend upon the requirement, we can change the default print size with the help of company setup. At any moment, we can change it to A4, A5, 2-inch and 3-inch, which invoice format is suitable for your company. We can change it according to your requirement. Here we can see, if you wish to include your logo, that is possible in Brainweaver's E-Trade retail management system. The address of the customer, GST information. If you wish to put any special remark, that is also possible here. A complete history of the product like serial number, HSN code, description of the goods, UOM, tax percentages, taxable value, barcode information, discount, extra discount, how much the customer has saved in this bill, amount in words. If in the same bill different tax tariff items are included, a subtotal of tax information grouped by GST percentage. At the same time, what is the payment methods adopted by the customer. If you wish to print any of the terms and condition message, any special message, any seasonal greetings, All such information, whatever information you have set in the company setup, that will be printed in the bottom of this sales invoice. This feature is very useful if you wish to communicate something to your customers. This feature, or with the help of this feature, you can communicate very easily with your customers by printing those information in the bottom of the sales invoice. If you wish to generate the PDF format of this invoice, you can also generate the PDF format. If you wish to WhatsApp or email this invoice, that is also possible. By clicking this print button, you can take the printout of this invoice to the printer. This is the invoice we have generated in PDF format. Here we can see a beautiful way system has generated sales invoice in 3-inch format. All the information is included in this invoice format. Here we can see the grand total is 810. While the customer has purchased goods worth 810, he has saved 100 rupees in this bill. By seeing this message, how much he saved, we can make an impression in the mind of the customer. Here this is very presentable manner how the customer has settled this bill. Here we can see by cash customer has settled it. Customer has tendered 850. Balance we have returned is 40 rupees. Who has prepared this invoice, on what date, what time, that is also mentioned here. Under the terms and conditions, what we have set in the company setup, that will be printed in the bottom of all this invoice. If there is any seasonal greetings you have set out in the company setup, that will be printed in the bottom of the invoice. Also, if you wish to pass any special messages, means about your shop or about any offers or incoming or upcoming offers, all such information what you wish to communicate with your customer, you can include in this area. And this message you can change depend upon the occasion. In this QR code you can use for your social media links or bank information. So this format is looking very nice. You can use this PDF format for email or WhatsApp your customer. Let us make one more sales invoice. I am choosing the customer as customer Anand. Here we can see one OS button. It means outstanding bills. How much outstanding is at the moment receivable from this customer, that we can see here. At the moment, the receivable from customer Anand is 1,30,778 debit balance. If you click on this OS button, system will display all the outstanding bills against this customer Anand that will be displayed in this list. Here we can see the bill number 156. The date we can see here on what date we have generated this bill, and here the bill amount is 68,000. Out of this, customer has given us only 8,257, and at the moment the balance receivables to us is 59,743. Such whatever bills the customer hasn't settled as of now, that will be displayed in this outstanding bills list. So this will be very easy. Whenever you make a sales invoice, you can, if you want, you can make a call to the customer and tell them at the moment so and so amount is receivable from them. If they ask any clarification, we can very easily answer to them that these are the outstanding bills. Similarly, if you click on this line details, system will display as of today whatever sales invoices you have generated and what are the products you have sold in each bill, the price information, quantity information, all such information we can see in this line details. If you click on this line details button, here we can see bill number 230550. You can see there are two rows. It means in this single bill we have billed two products. Here we can see the quantity information and the price information. Suppose I am choosing the customer as Trends Private Limited. Since I have selected a customer as Trends, again if you click on this line details, system will display only those products we have sold to this specific customer only. Before choosing a customer, if we click on this line details button, system will display all the sales information or item information that we have sold to all the customers, like a sales history. And after choosing a specific customer, if you click on this line details, system will display a sales as well as product history relating to the goods what we have sold to this specific customer we have selected from the customer list. So it means the customer we have selected is Trends, and in this list these are the products we have sold to Trends. So this is very useful for you if you want to identify if the customer came to you again to buy the same product that he has already purchased few days or few weeks before. If you want to see at what price you have invoiced this product when he made the previous purchase, it is very easy for you by clicking this line details button, and you can easily filter the price information, item information, quantity information from this list. Here we can see this LED tube set 20 watt. On 3rd September, the customer has purchased from us via the bill number 230533, and at what price we have given to them is 265. In this way, we can easily filter or generate the history of sales information in Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. And if you click on this bill history, system will display all the bill information to whom we have sold what is the net amount of the bill, how much amount we have received, all such information, bill wise information we will get by clicking this bill history button. And in this list also, if we wish to filter the sales bill information relating to a specific customer only. For example, here I am entering the customer name as Trends. Here we can see system will filter those sales invoices we have issued to the customer Trends. So as of today, we have issued 3 sales invoices to customer Trends. The first invoice is 230531. The bill amount was 5250. The second bill, and this is the third bill. And here we can see as of now we haven't received any payment from this customer. Here we can see the net amount received is, or amount received is showing as 0. Here also we can see at the moment this much amount is receivable from customer Trends. If we click on this OS bills, outstanding bills, here also system will display the 3 bills we have issued to Trends Private Limited, for which customer hasn't made any payment to us. Similarly, if we click on this offer list, if we have defined any discount to various products, that will be displayed if you click on this offer list. This feature is very useful for the counter staff. It means instead of keep in mind the offer information or what are the discounted products at the moment the shop is offering, instead of keeping it all in the mind, while he making the payment at the counter person can also make a further request to the customer that there is an offer going on for so and so product, and this will help to insist or force the customer to buy the products which are in the offer list. And by clicking this sales position button, we will get a summary of what is the total sales of today and how much payment we have received in cash, how much payment we have settled in gift voucher, how much we received in card, online, check, how much customer has redeemed, how much is the credit. All such information we will get by simply clicking this sales position button. Similarly, if you want to generate or take the printout of a sales bill that we have generated previously, in the top side we can see this is the current sales invoice number 230551. If I want to generate or take the printout of a previous sales invoice, you can simply type the bill number here. I am typing the bill number 250550. If you click on this POS 3-inch, system will display the sales invoice in the screen. If you click on tax invoice, system will display the invoice in A4 format. Then if you click on this print button, system will display the invoice in A5 format. So which format is required or suitable for you, that you can set as the default print setup. And at the same time, even if the default print set is what you have set is 3 inch, from the sales interface screen also you can generate different layout of the sales invoice. For example, here the default I have set is 3 inch. Once you have saved the sales invoice, system will automatically generate the sales invoice in 3 inch format. If you wish to generate the same sales invoice in the A4 format, by simply entering the sales bill number here and by pressing the tax invoice, you can generate or take the printout of this sales invoice in A4 format. You can also generate PDF format by clicking File, Generate to PDF. Now let us make one more sales invoice. I am choosing walk-in customer. $250 is the bill amount. Suppose customer is settling this bill through cash. So I have asked the customer his contact number. Either you can enter the contact number here or by pressing this list button. Whatever walking customers we have entered while generating the sales invoice, that will be displayed in this screen. You can choose it either from this list. Here we can see the previous sales invoice we have generated in the name of Tojo as the walking customer. If I choose Tojo here, we can see here and even if we have chosen the customer as walking customer, since we have selected the walking customer as Tojo and this Tojo is already in the walking customers list, system will automatically assign the bill to column with the walking customer name. If you save it again, in the sales invoice we can see even the ledger account we have selected is walking customer. The name of this Tojo will appear in the sales invoice. And if you want to analyze the history of the walking customers, by pressing this analyze button, system will display a history of all the walking customers in the left side. It means whatever contact information you have given while generating a sales invoice, that will be added into the walking customers list. And in this walking customers, whenever you put the cursor on a specific walking customer, on the right side we can see how many purchases this specific customer has made from us, bill information as well as the product information also system will display. Here we, for example, the bill number 230128, if you press enter key, system will display why this bill number, what product the customer has purchased from us, what is the quantity and what was the price. All such information we can see in this list. Here also we can see against each bill, if we had set a reward point mechanism, system will display here against each bill based on the reward point criteria, how much reward point the customer has earned, whether the customer has redeemed any reward points in the specific sales invoice, as well as what is the reward point balance to redeem at the moment. All such information you can see here. Here the Tojo. This is the recent working customer we have created. When you put the cursor on this Tojo, in the right side we can see we have two invoices in the name of Tojo, and these are the bill number. Here we can see on 26 September we have generated it. This is the total bill amount. If you click on a specific bill number, system will display what are the products he has purchased under this specific bill number. All such information you can see while sitting in the same sales invoice user interface. If any of the customer arrived in your store, he has checked few products and he hasn't purchased anything, you can also ask the contact information from him. Even though he hasn't purchased anything, for future marketing purpose, or keep a good and healthy relationship with this customer who has made an inquiry or visited in your store, you can store all such information by clicking this data bank button. You can ask the visitor name, number, if there is an email address, that also you can collect and add it to the data bank. With the help of this contact bank or data bank, you can also get in touch with this inquiry person, and by making proper follow up and sending offer catalogs and digital coupon, you can convert these leads into your business. You can also send seasonal greetings. If there is any special offers are going on, you can also forward such offer catalogs and attract them to come to your store and make more purchases from you. If we have created any digital coupon, we can also see all the digital coupons we have issued by clicking this e-coupon, and also by clicking this utilized button. We can also see a list of all the digital coupons customer has utilized. So in this way, we can generate sales invoice with barcode sales interface. Different sales interfaces are available in Brainweaver's retail management system. In the next session, we will discuss the other sales invoice generating user interface. So thank you for watching this video.